What is this Diddy Blood doing on the calculator? It seems like he is really focused. Buttons are flying in every direction. The numbers are adding up, but what could he be calculating? Is it a secret code or just a random spree of digits? The rhythm is almost mesmerizing. There's a pattern emerging. Every tap seems to have a purpose, but we can't quite figure it out. The intensity is building. We can feel the anticipation rising. Suddenly, a number flashes on the screen. What does it mean? Could this be a breakthrough or just a playful distraction? One last burst of energy, and he slams down the final number. What will the result reveal? Is it just for fun or something more? He steps back, looks at the screen, and there's a smirk on his face. It's not just a calculator. It's a portal to creativity. Sometimes the simplest tools can lead to the wildest ideas. What will happen next? Stay tuned for the unexpected.